So to commence the teaching of our rumba, we're going to start side by side so that we can all do the basic step all together. Now it consists of a backward half and a forward half. So we will commence with the backward half, which is back on the right foot. Now we have back on the right foot for the count of 2. Replace onto the left foot for the count of 3. And take our right foot to the side for the count of 4, 1. So if we can just try that again, that's the back half of our basic. So it is right foot back, the count of 2, replace onto the left for 3, and right foot to the side for 4, 1. Now the forward half is danced on the left foot forward on the count of 2. Replace the weight back onto the right foot for 3 and left foot to the side for 4, 1. Just try that forward half again. So it's left foot forward on the count of 2. Replace onto right for 3 and side left for 4, 1. So if we can dance it now, starting with our right foot back basic, we have and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So that's the basic step of your rumba. If we were to dance this in rhythm, it would come across as quick, quick, slow. So again, we'll commence with our right foot. Going backwards, we will have and quick, quick, wait, and quick, quick, wait, and quick, quick, wait, and quick, quick, wait. So now if we face our partners, we'll just have you holding hands very casually to start this one. So the man will commence with left foot forward. The lady will commence with right foot back. And step, step, side, and step, step, side, and step, step, side, and step, step, side. So that's your basic step. Now we're going to teach the ladies an underarm turn. Gentlemen, you're okay because you already know the steps. Now for the lady, the underarm turn is just really 3 walks around in a circle. So you will dance the first 3 steps of the basic. I'll just ask Vicky to demonstrate this for us. So she will go back on her right foot for 1, replace on for 2, and then step to the side for 3. The left foot now will go forward as she commences to start her circle to the right. The right foot will continue forward circling, and then the left foot to the side. So you have, ladies, just walked around in a complete circle in the 3 steps. So if we can just try that once more. We are back on the right and back, replace, side, and walk around. Just once more. Now our timing would be and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. If we had our rhythm, we would dance right foot back and quick, quick, wait, and quick, quick, wait. So I think now we're ready to put the partners back together. So gentlemen, what I would like you to dance is just a forward and a back basic. So left foot forward, lady right foot back, 2, 3, and underneath she goes. Once more, basic step and underneath the arm. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to replace the fourth basic for the lady with the underarm turn. So let's commence our pattern. So for the gentleman, you're looking at 4 basics. For the lady, 3 basics, followed by your underarm turn. Gentleman left, lady right, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Ladies underneath once more. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Ladies underneath the arm. Well done. So we're now going to move on to a variation called hand to hand. Now the hand to hand is when the lady and gentleman make a quarter turn away from partner. Now you are both stepping back in this variation. So again, I would like to ask Scott and Vicky to turn towards the camera and dance it singly. Now if we commence with our feet apart, that is where we would have finished our previous basic. Now our hand to hands will go right foot back, having made a quarter of a turn out, and step. We replace to the left foot for 3 and step to the side on the right for 4, 1. Now our left foot will go back, making our quarter turn to the left, and 2. We replace to the right for 3 and side for 4, 1. So if we can try a couple of those without stopping, we have right foot back and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So if we now face our partners and take our double hold, if we start with our feet apart, because that's where we have finished the previous basic. Now, as you dance this step, by making the quarter turn, you will release the gentleman's left and the lady's right hand. And then as you take your step to the side, you will rejoin them. So gentleman left, lady right, and back, replace, side. Now the gentleman will take the right, the lady the left, and you will again release the gentleman's right hand and the lady's left, and back, replace, side. So the gent's left, the lady's right, and we'll put 4 of these together, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now, let's see if we can add that to what we've already learnt. So what I'd like you to do is, ladies, I'd like you to dance the basic into the underarm turn, and then you go into your hand to hand. So the basic and the underarm turn, gentleman left, lady right, and basic, lady under. Now here come the hand to hands. Back, 2, 3, back, that's it, remembering to make the quarter turn every time, back and in. That's wonderful. Now let's see now if we can go from the beginning. So gentleman left, lady right, remembering, gentleman, you're going to dance the basics. Lady will dance an underarm turn, replacing her 4th basic. Ready, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Ladies, underarm, hand to hand. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Well done. We're now going to add another variation onto your rumba. This will be a follow-on to the hand-to-hand. But when we add this step called the aida, we will only dance 3 hand-to-hands. So we are now in the position where we're just going to dance our 3rd hand-to-hand. So we step back and back, replace to the side. Now the aida is 3 backward walks, but we are curving as we walk backwards. So again, the gentleman will open out to his right, the lady will open out to her left. So we're going to dance 3 backward walks and back, back, back. So you can see that we have created a V shape. Now maybe I'll ask Scott and Vicky now to dance the aida towards the camera. So if we can just open ourselves out. Again, we'll dance the 3rd hand-to-hand for you. So the gent is back on his right, the lady back on her left, and back, replace to the side. Now our 3 backward walks curving in and back, back, back. So you can now see the V that they have created. So let's see if we can dance our 3 hand-to-hands into our aida. So the gentleman, if we commence with our feet apart, the gentleman will be dancing his left foot back, the lady her right foot. And 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, aida, back, back, back. Should we just try that once more? Gentleman again on the left, lady on the right, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, aida, back, back, back. Well done. So now let's go back to the beginning and see if we can put it all together. So just a little recap on what you've learnt. You've learnt the basic, the lady's underarm turn, hand to hand, and the aida. So gentleman left, lady right, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Ladies, under the arm, hand to hand. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Aida in. Well done. Shall we try that just once more? Don't forget on those hand-to-hands, we have to make a quarter turn away from our partners. Gentleman left, lady right, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Ladies, under the arm, hand to hand. 1 and 2 and 3. Aida, 1, back, back. Well done. So now at this point in the routine, I'd like to introduce the Cuban rock. Now the rock is a transfer of weight from one foot to the other. So at this moment in time, the gent is standing on his right foot, the lady on her left. The action is forward, back, forward. So the gent will go onto his left foot, lady onto her right foot for 2. Replace onto the back foot for 3. And replace onto the front foot for 4, 1. So if we can just try that again. Gentlemen, stand on your right foot. Ladies, stand on your left foot. We'll rock and rock, rock, rock. So just try that once more. Gentleman left, lady right, and forward, back, forward. So let's come back to the positioning of the last hand to hand. We'll dance our last hand to hand, which is gentleman left, lady right, straight into the aida and add the Cuban rocks. So left, lady right, and 2, 3, 4, 1. Aida back for 3 and rock, rock, rock. Well done. Let's see if we can go from the beginning to pop that in all together. So gentleman left, lady right, you're doing really well with this rumba. And 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, ladies underarm, 2, 3 to the hand to hand, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, the aida, 2, 3, and the rock, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now, just to finish this little pattern off for you, we're just going to dance a little step called a cucaracha. Now, on this cucaracha, we're going to turn to face our partner. Now, a cucaracha is just a pressure step to the side. So the gentleman is going to dance it on his right foot, the lady on her left. So the gent is turning in to his right, the lady turning in to her left and stepping to the side. And 2. We replace the weight onto the gentleman's left, the lady's right. And we close together, gentleman right, lady left, ready to commence our pattern again.